Yo, what is going on? It's Scooter back again. So today we're going to be working with reversing a list. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I want to print out the list just to see what we got or what we're working with. Let's clear the screen and let's run this again. Oh, whoops. Currently looking at the wrong file. So we want to do Python and then reverse. Alright, so as you can see here, it just gives me back what I put in. So what I want to do now is I want to sort this list just so I can prove that it is being reversed. So if you watched the previous video, it showed you how to sort the list. So you can just do cars.sort. And then we'll go ahead and print that out. Whoops, didn't print it. Cars. And then as you can see here, we are now in alphabetical order. Now what you want to do if you want to reverse the list is just, it's fairly simple. You just do cars dot reverse. So Python makes it really simple for you. So a lot of times if you're looking to try to do something, you could probably just get away with just typing dot and then whatever it is you're trying to do. So in this case, we are trying to reverse the list. So put everything in the reverse order. So just cars dot reverse. And then we want to print that out just so we can see what the values are that it is inside of it. Clear the screen so we can get a fresh screen and run it. And as you can see here, this is what we had initially. This is now alphabetical order. And then this line is the reversed order right here. So as you can see, Toyota was at the back and now it is in the front. Tesla was the second to the last. Now it's the second. Subaru was the third to the last. Now it's third in the list. Lexus, as you can see, third to the last. BMW is now second to the last, and Audi was the first in the list, and now it is the last in the list. So that is how you reverse a list in Python.